You can expect a lot from the 2020 Cadillac XT5. It includes heated seats, a rear window wiper, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, power moonroof, a power rear cargo door, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Multiple drivers will appreciate the memory system, keeping track of unique seating, steering wheel and audio settings and positions, as well as other features. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Come on in and take a test drive.